from start to finish, I went in to see a doctor with shortness of breath. I was immediately sent to the hospital, to ER, because of the condition that was found. My heart was in AFib. The follow-up began with coming to a clinic here at Baptist, and the staff here at the clinic in Dr. Harris's office was absolutely amazing. A lot of phone conversation follow-up, very detailed instruction about what's happening in preparation. Once Dr. Harris came in the office, he explained everything thoroughly and put a lot of comfort on me in letting me know that this is something he does. He's very good at it. In fact, I was informed that there was nobody else to do this in this area that they would let do it. That made me very comfortable. But not only that, the explanation of what was happening with the maze procedure. I did have the option, once we did a CT scan, found out that I was a candidate for robotic surgery. I was a little more relieved with that, and did not want to have to go through the complications that arrive with open heart surgery, obviously. So I'm very, very thankful and blessed that I was able to have the robotic procedure done. He also explained to me that I had an option, just in case he was not able to repair this, that I would have either an artificial mechanical valve put in or an animal replacement. And I asked him what the difference was, and he said, mechanical, you're on blood thinners the rest of your life. The other one, you're not, but it can break down over time. And I said, well, I don't want the mechanical. I don't want to be on blood thinners. I'll take that risk. Fortunately, I didn't have to have either. Mine was repaired. Thanks to Dr. Harris, I'm where I am today. I found out that Dr. Harris had realized something when he took a picture after his work, and he didn't like what he saw, so he went back in and perfected it. And I thanked him for that, explaining that I was OCD, and he laughed and said, well, I am too. I think I have to be in my work. I took that as a little bit of humor, but I also enjoyed it knowing that I was in good hands at that point, and obviously I was, because a very, very good outcome with this surgery. It was over in 5.5 hours. I was home and back at work in 2 weeks' time. 2 weeks later, I am almost at full capacity and doing just about anything I want to.